The topic is web hosting. Web hosting is nothing but it is a service that allows individuals, organizations, businesses to make their websites accessible on the internet. When you create a website, you can produce various files like a HTML file, CSS file, JavaScript file, image file, etc. that is necessary to store on a server. Web hosting companies provide the infrastructure and services to store these files and make them available to user over the internet. So let's see with the web hosting basics. So it is a crucial aspect of getting your website online and also accessible to users. Here we have some fundamental concepts. Let's see one by one. So the first one is a server. Server is a powerful computer that stores deliver your website's files to users when they can access it. So we have like a list of files like a HTML file, CSS file, web JavaScript file, images file. Okay, so like a lot of assets will be having. So we can include what kind of files with accessible. The next one is a web hosting provider. It is nothing but is a company that owns and operates a server. They can offer various hosting services that allows like individuals or the organizations to store their website files on these servers and that make them accessible over internet. So let's see with the types of web hosting. So we have like five categories of hosting. So the first one is a shared hosting. It is nothing but multiple websites can share resource on the same server and it is like cost effective, but it may have like limitations on resource. So the next hosting is nothing but a VPS hosting, like a virtual private server hosting. So this virtual server, it is like within a physical server and that can provide more dedicated resources. The next one is a dedicated hosting. It is where like a entire server is dedicated to a single user or like a single organization that offer full control and high performance. The next hosting is a cloud hosting. That resources are spread across multiple server that provides with a scalability and reliability. The next one is a managed WordPress hosting. It is nothing but that optimize we can use with the WordPress website that includes like additional features and supports also. The next one is a domain name. A domain name is a human readable address that user type into the browser to access your website. For example, like we have like a www.google.com. Okay, so that Google is, yeah, our website. So our giving the name of that website, that is a user's individual concern. Okay, so .com or .has is nothing but a like extension of that website related to that website. Okay, for example, here I'm just giving like a .com. It is nothing but a commercial extension related to that website. Okay, so you can register with the domain name separately from your hosting provider. The next one is a control panel. So most hosting provider offers the control panel because that allows user to manage various aspects of your hosting account like emails, database and domain settings at all. The next one is the bandwidth and storage. So bandwidth is nothing but how much we just using for that, the plans, all those things. So the amount of data transferred between your site, your users and the internet. Some hostings have limited bandwidth plans like that. And the next one is a storage. Storage is nothing but a spaces allocation. So the amount of disk space allocated for your website files. Uptime, it is nothing but to store refers to the percentage of time your website is accessible to user. And also the hosting provider uh, aims for like a high uptime percentage, minimizing downtime. Security, that is very important. So hosting provider include like security features like SSL certificate, that is for encrypted connection. Users should implement additional security measures like regular backups and giving like a strong password, something with credential with very much security. The next will be a support. So good customer support is very essential. And hosting provider offers like a assistant for technical issues, account management, and some other concern also. Renewal and pricing. Web hosting plans offer prices based on monthly wise or yearly wise. Okay, so we have to be aware of that renewal cost and the prices also for the introductory. Okay, so that's all about it. I think I hope everyone understood about this. Thank you.